heard of Resin Art and want to give it a try but don't know how to start? Then you must definitely watch this video because today I'm going to show you how to make beautiful bookmarks out of resin, and this is completely beginners friendly. Do give it a watch and let me know what do you think about this video in the comment section below. Welcome to Sparklebox. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please go through it. I'm sure you'll be loving the content. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. in this resin art. So if you want me to do more of such videos, let me know in the comment section below. You have any queries on resin art? Please drop them down. I'll try to answer my best. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, see you all.